What in the hood party is going on here? Got a box shape. Got a rangy. Yeah, we got a Titty car. An FD2. But look, who we got? Who we got?
Oh God, all the boys are here will come to lash everybody, you know that.
Who's gonna get lashed first? Japanese there, and a Jap there, and a fucking Corolla GR here. You know, you can't see shit.
He's getting smoked today.
Here's Jibty.
Yeah, I just come to smoke.
You're so slow!
Jibby, can he say something for me? Can he say Jammers?
Jammers is getting dinnered.
Jammers is getting dinnered.
No, he's not.
Yeah,
His car's so slow. The coupe can beat it.
Coupe will beat it. Coupe's already killed one person.
The coops are scared. They do away.
The coupe's all the way down there. You can't see
Bring
it.
it. Bring it.
Coupe.
Musa, get it.
Welcome to Big Saj Build. Yo, let me go catch this guy. Yo, Charlie from Montserrat drives a Toyota Celica out there.
Yes, I.
Apparently he kills everything Jesse builds.
Everything Jesse will.
Everything.
Is that true, Jesse?
Jesse telling people. Yo, you have to cancel this video. You have to cancel this video. Son, you have to cancel.
No, we can't cancel it.
I'm not happy.
Today we're gonna put Charlie in the EF to run
In the
against
red box shape.
to run against the ZZ man over there.
Proper way.
Let me go see the singer.
Let's grab him.
Yo.
Goofy, you got Mark who's GR Corolla. He's active.
Proper ways here. Proper way, we got another song for us today.
Go on.
live in colours, you see me?
So we're gonna put Charlie in the EF to run proper way.
In his little Corolla.
I mean, it's a proper way. When I drop on a drop a day, we get them a lean back and rock away. Most of them jeans sing on them frock away. You don't know we have a place lock away. AKA Southside boy, this we chop out outside.
Anyone translate?
And what my brethren Jesse says, he's stressed. What my boy Jesse says, he's stressed, so he needs some breasts. That's it.
Where's Biggie?
I guess
Where's Biggie?
I already had 3 breasts.
That's it. We don't feed it.
I'm Team Toyota tonight.
Yeah, he too.
Okay,
GR300.
Okay, oh yeah, the bulk trail.
My Toyota tonight.
All right then.
Crazy people.
So it's gonna be some fun tonight. It's all humble, we're all brethren, we're all friends. Again, we got man like Goofy in here, NA man here, you know what I'm saying?
Where's your car, Goof? Same place.
No, you know, he's doing homework like some other man now.
Who is he going to do?
When I come out,
Too much hibernating, no good, mate.
Hang on, let's catch
the
Moto.
small lions.
He's got a pick on his back.
You're not ready for the big lions.
Hang on, here's Moto.
He don't want to be on camera today.
Oh, you don't want to be on?
No, he don't want to be on camera, so allow him out.
You can have me on microphone though.
He can be on mic, so Moto's behind the camera.
Oh, pity your days.
Hey, no, fuck that. Promotion, just take motorsport, hollering for some bits and bobs. You know what I'm saying? Any party need Jammers. Alright, which one is it? That one there?
Jammers.
Which one do you want me to beat? That one? I thought he's your friend though.
No, he's not my friend anymore because I smoked the Silver Surfer. He's
No,
upset.
he didn't.
Ask him on pod.
What should we do to him?
Come on.
You want to go? Strap boy. Come to the back.
I leave you back there, man.
Better be over and drive.
Man like Jibby's out here. We got man like James out here. This
I can hardly see you.
we got Popo, Pablo, you hear me? Muscle man, everything. You got Ishi for midnight, yeah? Hollering for drinks, okay? Call it Shisha. No face, no case.
So you better be ready today.
Alright, Saj, we catch him in a minute.
He's crazy.
Jibby's crazy. Where's Jibby's car?
He don't even bring his EP3
Come, let's go look at his car. Let's go do our homework, Musa. Go on.
Stop lying!
But what is this, Musa? It looks slow.
Yeah,
What is it? Look, it says Mugnung on it. Mugnung.
that don't even make sense.
Exactly. How come it says Mugnung on it?
That don't even.
Who's this though? Who's this?
That's Mickey. Look,
Is that sound deadening galore?
Yeah.
So, you gotta follow the finger. This is who is the Stig. Follow the finger.
It's going that way.
How come he's a stick, Jeremy?
He's the Stig. No, he was the Stig.
Yeah.
He was the Stig. He taught him, I think.
Yeah.
Smoke this.
You got it unpacked. You got it right. You got it right there. You got it. You know what? I respect you for that.
Yeah?
I was. Now it's
But now
different.
he's him.
Now it's
Okay,
the kids.
but there's one guy that drives in reverse in everything.
Oh, he didn't want
He's
to
too comfortable, him. You get me? And he's one of them from old school that lets the car idle for about 2 hours to see water in there. That's a Pakistan special, that one. That means gaddi theek hai. Anti-engine. Anybody water's coming out your exhaust, you're fucked.
Musa, what time is it?
I don't know. And
Musa, it's almost midnight.
we're waiting for Jay, John, and Gio.
J. John and Jill.
Make sure you got your helmet on.
I don't need helmet. I can go like this.
So how you gonna race then?
I can still see.
Show me how you reverse gear first.
Musa, that's 7th gear.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is,
That's
bro.
7th.
It's upside down. That's it.
Motodora. Hello, guys. Assalamualaikum. Okay.
Just tell me where Biggie is.
Musa making some video.
Where's Biggie?
He's hiding from you, I told you. You gotta go look for him.
Look at the music, you play the wrong music for the last year.
Look at the back of the car.
Yo, what's up? Yo, Jill.
No, we have to, man. Why is on me in it?
The next man video, me a problem.
Every group.
Put some respect on Charlie name and say, well, go on to Charlie boy.
Zed man.
What the fuck is this? What's wrong with you?
Zed man, just pull over.
Yeah, no. And we gonna put him in the EF today.
He got Z and he got Z.
You put me at the EF?
Can I get a run in the EF?
Yo, the man can't drive, Ross.
Off launch, you know?
Yo, the man going to drive tomorrow. The man can't drive.
Sorry, man. Yeah. You got Miru's hat on, remember? You rocked Miru's hat.
Wait.
Powers, give me back.
It's gone.
Where was the hat though? Where's your window? This one or that one?
This one.
But yo,
Yeah!
Moto's been hiding from this Corolla T-Sport. Is it a T-Sport proper way? I don't know nothing about Corollas. It's a 2ZZ, says on the back.
2ZZ GE 1.8 stock computer. Make boy a fret.
Yo, you got the song ready for when you win? You got the song ready for when you win?
Always, we can build something fast.
Where's Moto? Moto's gone. Moto ran.
He's gone to the he's gone
Sit down, Rasta.
Real bad man.
Yeah.
The right way.
The proper way.
The right.
Yeah.
You're saying the right
Proper
way.
way is called sit down, Rasta.
Same thing. How about this geezer though?
Bow
Fuck you, bar.
Fuck you.
Okay then.
Boy, just call him 11 seconds, Saj.
11 seconds.
How about you, bar? You ain't been on the strip.
No, it is
Where's your car, Chad?
Where's your car, man?
You're freaking red rose.
It's coming, don't worry.
Yeah, coming like you're fucking. You're cha-cha from fucking the quarter.
I'm a big Bowas pit crew, alright. Stop terrorizing me.
I'm his big crew.
Build his car first. Get his car built.
11 seconds. Yeah.
Build your car.
He is the car, don't you know?
11 seconds. Yeah. 11 seconds.
4-wheel drive bar.
This is 10 seconds, bro.
I did a 14-second one first, bro.
EF, don't fuck with the EFs.
EF.
Don't fuck with the EFs.
EF. Oi, where's your EF? Where is it?
Where's your Delta?
Moto or proper way?
Fundamental, sir.
So proper way.
Hey, jadi kan terus. Me and you. Two policy throws and throw in the hands. Throw in the hands. Oh, throw it be chala gaya, man.
I never understood a word they say.
He made a song about you, not me. I go deal with him because he goes, you, me, I go, you. He made a song about you, not about me. Yeah, one you can make 4 here, he's can 3. Okay.
Smoke him! Ah, what now? Can you go pop the car up? The what now? Did you see it with a compass? I went that far, you couldn't see?
Shake his hand, we gave him a good race. He's the only one that raced us.
Thank you for losing.
Judge is here today. The real send-off. He's been sending off the cars for the last 20 years. What the fudge?
I don't know, I can't see. I can't see.
It's the guy on the right, you know. The guy on the right.
I don't know. I don't know. Good one is spent there. Good one is spent there. That's insane.
On the right. The one on the right.
That come off my dino here. I couldn't see it. Your dino. I didn't know.
It's flap deep, man.
Motor no run. Motor not running no more.
How is it the most reliable car Toyota have an issue? Yo, Baba boy, I'm running.
Fucking, I didn't know it was all stripped out like that.
Make your car cool on, man.
What? You fucking running 600 brake?
Nah, man, your car fast, bro.
Brother, that's what I want to hear.
That car.
Next, please. That's what we tell you. Pulsar was a better race, but you start.
Yeah, but you call out with the Pulsar and you come with the build.
Yeah, but you know why? You know why though? Because literally.
I'm not a chicken, that's why I come.
And look,
so why you never?
Listen,
You live in. Hold on. Let's get it straight now.
Go on.
You live in Birmingham.
Yeah.
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 You call me out.
Yeah.
With a Pulsar.
Yeah.
I drive from London to race you.
Yeah.
But you come out with a fully built car. So what you say?
Where is he built
and I
from?
come here with a stock car.
But where is he built
Yeah, you
from?
say nothing, bro. I know.
I throw that.
Come on, man.
Listen, proper.
Yo,
you know what? I'm listen, you know what?
I race you because I'm a fucking racer. You understand?
Good man, I respect
So you
that.
call me out with just a regular swap car to run a stock car.
Yeah, but listen,
no, you bring up a race car.
I'm listening.
to the track.
Listen, this is a live video, you know.
already here.
This is the same brother that sang me a song saying me I run like one dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the doggy here, the little
Where's
puppy,
the car that you are
little
running
puppy,
with?
little
Where's the
puppy,
car?
you know.
Yeah.
You want little puppy? You know what he say?
You hide the car where you call me
What
out
did he
with
say?
and come out with the next car
Damn it.
and I behave like he's a man.
That never built out.
The car is bad
What the
that he
fuck
come
is
out
this?
with. It's
Fair
bad.
play.
Yo, let me put my hat straight.
You're not gonna expect a stock car
but
to
you
beat
don't-
a fully built
you
car.
done one. You done one.
You see me?
You done one. You done
First
one.
thing, I don't know the place. I'm just feeling it. I can't catch him, bro. This car is fucking fast.
I told you this before. You get what I'm saying?
This wasn't the car you called me out
Yeah,
with.
but listen, I know this, but
Oh,
you
come
where's the
on.
Pulsar?
You hide the fucking Pulsar.
What you say? Is show you a knife but you bring a gun?
Yeah.
Oh God! Oh God! Okay.
Come on,
But listen, but on Santa Pod, he goes in specific words, because we gonna play the video back, you know.
Yeah.
He called one red EF out, and the red EF shook and not turn up. So me go meek, I can't believe that. He goes, you know what? Bring your one out too. So
Okay.
me bring them out.
So okay, hold on now.
So look, he wants me to get a car ready.
Like how you're
Already
spilling the
ready.
beans. Let's get it out clear, yeah?
Yeah.
You come by me and you said, proper way, not tell no lie, you know. I'll jam in Fred you know. Him now come against the white car, you know. And Jamin pull your guts out last night. And now you said something is wrong with the car. And now you beat a stock car. Your car is fine, eh?
Boy, boy. Did you see the smoke at the back of the car, lad?
What, smoke what?
Did you see smoke on that?
Smoke come off the tires, bro.
Oh man. You're only slow cars,
Bro.
tires at the
Bro.
smoke. If you
drip it, man, dripping a little bit of brake fluid and he's talking about smoke. That can't cut his performance. Come on.
Listen, forget everything, guys. I don't want to hear it because you know what?
Bro,
In Jamaica, you
I
sing
give you
songs
credit
in
your
it.
time.
Listen,
Your car is better than
can I have a
my
song
car at
sang
the
back to
moment.
me now saying you want?
No. You need to be a tune.
Nobody the argument.
What are you saying? Why talk to me again?
Oh God!
Aye, talk to my noise.
Gio dead again.
Gio dead again. Gio dead again. Yo, talk to my noise.
Who there?
But listen,
My boy, you know, for life, this one.
me I hear what y'all say. But remember, the man called me out, say, "Mama, Pulsar, case swap."
Okay,
And me tell him, say, should it out and make sure you're ready. When him just start the part, him back down because him say, Virgin, I just want the car to take me home. So come to Birmingham. And I come Birmingham.
Motor not running.
When I run, me hear like one little shy dog. I put the dog to sleep. Jesse boy! Jesse boy!
Walk on fan. Motor jump.
Where's Mr. BMG?
It was like this, but the motor was in front of them. My dad got
Oh, yes.
motor jumps.
Let's call it 1-1. Motor jumped that one, but I got him on the second one. It's a stock car, bro.
Is it? People are saying you're built, pistons, rods, everything.
You know the funny thing is, you know, because the starters went. So he tried to start and it didn't start properly, and when it did start misfiring. I go, you got meth in here. You go, I got no fucking meth in here, bro. Just misfiring.
No, the one inside.
That's a racing one. Press the button and it blows you, that's all.
What's going on here? What the hell?